Alright, in this task we're going to use the previous file, specifically the previous form, and we're going to do the capacity. It was like, let me show it to you. So it is in the product form when we did it in the previous one. We have to change the capacity. Instead of adding it like this from a text box, we're going to make it into a radio button. So as the question is saying, you have to edit the database so that the capacity of the product can be added using radio button rather than typing the data. The capacity of all models is these numbers in cubic centimeters. So edit the data entry form for the product table to use radio buttons to select one of these values. So let's go back again over here. Let's go to design view and let's go to the form design. And let's add the radio button. Radio button, do not choose this one, but we have to choose this option group. So let's draw it over here. After that, we have to label the names over here. So we have 185 centi, which is 185, 200, 240, 250, 300, and 400. Oh, okay. It needs to be cubic centimeters. So that's gonna be 1, and then let's copy here. Then we have 200, 240, 250, and then 300, 200. Excuse me. And then 250, 300, and the final one is gonna be 400. Okay, let's click. Let me just double check these are the correct numbers. Let's go next. So do you want to choose any default value to be showing in the new form or in a new record? No, I don't want it. So now the values. So what the values are going to show? Of course, the values are going to store the real number, which is 185. And then we have 200, 240, 250, 300, and 400. Where it is supposed to be stored? Obviously in the capacity field back again. So here you can choose the radio button design you wanted, or the style, or you wanted checkboxes or toggle buttons, and the style you prefer it. So we're going to use radio button or option buttons, and you may call it capacity and then finish. It's going to appear over here. You may make it with the layout view, and then you may adjust it from here. First of all, let's check our record. So that's the first one, supposed to be 400, which is 400 here. So 300 is also showing correctly. Let's remove this. And then 250, 240, 200, 185. Okay, let's just remove this one. And instead of that, we're going to put the radio button ones. So I'm just going to put this little bit to the top, and we're going to bring the capacity to the bottom. And you may expand it as you like. You may make it like 3 over here and 3 over here, or I'm just going to keep it like that. And if you want to put some space, you may also put it like taking this to the bottom, or you may adjust one by one by taking them to this side. So I'm just not going to spend a lot of time. That's fine for now, and that's the end of this task. Let's move to the next activity in the next video.